good. Let me palpate right through here. Relax right here for me. Good movement. Excellent. Okay, just about as good as the first time, huh? Mm-hmm. Very good. Let me have you lay face down right here for me. All right, good movement right up top. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and show you guys with her. And so we're gonna get some movement in here. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Okay, good movement there. Relax right here for me. Very good. Relax right here for me. Good. Relax right there for me. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. There we go. Got some movement in there? Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Let me have you lay on your side facing this way. Let me have your top leg bent, bottom leg straight. Give me this arm right over here. And we're going to put the top toe behind the bottom knee. Right there. And get right in here. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay facing the opposite way for me. Good movement there. Okay. Top leg bent, bottom leg straight. Give me this hand here. Right there. Relax your upper body there. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Let me have you lay face up for me. Long axis cervical decompression movement. Relax right here for me. There you go. Excellent. One more. Excellent.
Good. One more time. Good. Okay, big breath in and out. Good one. Okay, big breath in. Nice. Good. So big breath in and out. Okay, I'm gonna flip you other side. Okay, big breath in and out. Feel okay?
Now that you kind of know.
So it's
It's right there.
oh.
Okay. Let's have you. Okay, just relax. Good. Okay, then on this side here. I know it's close to the ears, right? There we go. Okay.
Whoa, beautiful. Yikes.
Yikes in a good way or a crazy way or both. Scary and good.
A little bit of
Scary and bad at the same time. Scary and good.
Good, nice relaxing. Good, nice.
Okay.
And you get it what, every day you say?
Every day, almost every day.
Okay. And you're on your feet all day and you work hard hours.
Yes. Just like yourself.
That's right. You ready, buddy?
Yes.
Relax as much as you can. Beautiful. There goes the ears. Oh my. Nice. How you feel?
Much better.
Now look at the ears. So the one thing that happens is all the blood is getting up there. That's one reason he's getting headaches.
Deep breath in for me there, Teresa. Let it all the way out. Oh yeah. Home run.
Yeah. It's my favorite one.
I don't even have to ask if you felt that all the way down, because I know you did.
Yeah.
There we go. Oh yeah, the crack cakes are gonna love you. Okay. And just exhale. There we go. Yes, ma'am. You notice I wasn't talking during all those, so y'all could hear the cracking. People get upset at me, Teresa, if I talk while you're